Alright, if your designs feel kinda messy or flat in Canva, chances are you're not using layers and transparency properly. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use these features in Canva to create clean, professional-looking designs. So, every element in Canva sits on a layer. Text, images, shapes, all stacked on top of each other. Understanding this is key to controlling your design. Click on any element to select it. Then use the position button at the top to move it forward or backward. This changes its layer order. If you want full control, use bring to front or send to back. This instantly moves elements to the top or bottom of your design. Now, if your design gets complex, open the Layers panel, sometimes called Page Elements. Here you can see all elements listed and manage them easily. Quick tip: lock elements you don't want to move. Just select it and click the lock icon. This helps prevent accidental changes. Alright, now let's talk transparency. Select any element, then click the transparency icon in the top bar. It looks like a little checkerboard. Use the slider to lower the opacity. This is perfect for creating overlays, soft backgrounds, or subtle effects behind text. This is where it gets powerful. Combine layers with transparency. For example, place a semi-transparent shape over an image, then add text on top. It makes everything more readable and stylish. Just don't overdo it. Too many layers or too much transparency can make your design look messy. Keep things simple and balanced. And yeah, that's how you use layers and transparency in Canva. Once you get this right, your designs will instantly look more polished and professional.